Maintaining large storage tanks is no small feat, especially when it involves working 39 feet above ground. Traditionally, crews spent weeks applying protective coatings by hand from cherry pickers, facing both time-consuming labor and safety risks. Enter Blast1's Performance 3 analysis in partnership with Qlayers, which helped client Ende to coat a Rotterdam-based oil tank using Qlayers' 10Q robotic system. The outcome was remarkable. Qlayers applied coatings at 1,646 square feet per hour, 75% less time spent working at height, and completed the project with an impeccable finish with minimal overspray. This wasn't a fluke. This is how Performance 3 was designed. To learn more about how Performance 3 can help you, log on to blast1.com/performance3 and get started today.